In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create project folder in Autodesk Construction Cloud. First, you need to type in the URL, and I believe you guys have already received an activation link. So if you could not find it, if you have not activated your account yet, just go back to your email and look for Autodesk Construction Cloud invitation. So you should be able to activate your account and just use the same login credential that you use for downloading other Autodesk software. So this is the screen you will see here. First of all, we have to create a project folder. And since I've already had a lot of tests running with the Autodesk Construction Cloud, I'm going to type in different project names. So you can have your own name. Then the project number, you can just use your own project number naming convention. So for example, for some companies, they just use the year. And if this is the second project they are doing, they just type in -2. And the account, it will be OK State. And the project type, if this is a office building, you just select office building. If this is a restaurant, just select restaurant. And the template is not required. And you can also enter the address of the project. You can also include the project start and finish date, but it looks like this is not really required. I'm going to skip those steps. And the project value, you can also enter if you have this information. But for demonstration purposes, I think this is good enough. I just created a project. So once you finish creating this project folder, then you can start inviting your teammate. So for example, I would like to invite Ife into this project. So I will just click add members. And then I'll add run it to this project. Then I'll hit enter, and then you can select the role. If he is the project engineer, and I'm going to select project engineer. And looks like I've already selected 2 roles, and you can have multiple roles. Then project administrator, if I want to give him the project administration access level, just click that. And the product, you can check all of them. Since we are going to do quantity takeoff, I think I'm going to select quantity takeoff. For the other ones, if it is necessary, you just select all of them. And then I will send the invitation to him. Once he gets the invitation, he can accept it, and also he is able to view my project file later on. Then once the project member is added, then the next step is to create folder. So once you finish adding the member, typically, you can go back to the home and then go to your projects and go to test-4, which is the one that I used. And then here we are coming to the files, and then you can start adding additional subfolders to it. So let's say I want to add a subfolder which is called models and there might be some other files you want, folders you want to create, and you can add some additional documents to it. Feel free to do that. So once we get the model folder, and we would like to upload files to it, and you just click upload files, and this is going to be from my computer. So I'm going to just use the version 1 structure model. Then I'm going to also add another file, which is the version 2. It may take some time to upload. We'll just wait until this is completely done. Looks like the model has been successfully uploaded to the cloud. Now I can close it down, and here you can see there are two versions. There's a version 1 and a version 2.